Well, come to Luxoro Homes. You've seen luxury cars, but have you ever seen a luxury home on 6 wheels? This is the Brabus Motorhome, one of the most expensive and elegant RVs ever made. And today I'm taking you inside to show how it completely redefines luxury on the road. From the outside, it looks like a black diamond on wheels. Sleek body lines, 6 massive tires, and that bold Brabus grille. This thing doesn't just move, it commands attention. The matte black finish gives it a stealthy yet elegant feel, while the aerodynamic design makes it look straight out of the future. The moment you step inside, everything changes. It doesn't feel like a vehicle anymore. It feels like a private suite. Soft leather, warm lighting, and handcrafted wood trims surround you. Every corner whispers Brabus craftsmanship. At the back, you've got a king-size bed. Not just big, but unbelievably comfortable. Wake up here, open the blinds, and you're greeted by the view of wherever your journey takes you. And yes, this RV has a fully equipped kitchen. You get an induction stove, a smart fridge, a microwave, and enough counter space to cook comfortably on the go. Right next to it, there's a separate washroom built with high-end fittings, a rainfall shower, a touchless tap, and a mirror that never fogs up. Now let's talk about the driver's area. The Brabus cockpit. It's wrapped in premium leather, loaded with smart controls and lit with ambient LEDs. The digital dashboard gives you full control over lighting, temperature, and entertainment. This is what happens when innovation meets pure luxury. The Brabus Motorhome, a masterpiece that turns every journey into a first-class experience. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to subscribe for the next luxury tour on wheels.